Good morning, period 5. This is a video to help you with your exit ticket for 2.4, the demographic transition model. Your exit ticket is to identify which stage of the demographic transition model the country from your country draft falls into. So which one of these 5 stages does your country fall into? And you're to support your decision of which stage your country falls into using the birth rate, the death rate, and the natural increase. For those of you who don't know yet or who have forgotten over spring break, the natural increase is calculated with the birth rate minus the death rate divided by 10. And here's the little, there's a little, what's the word for this? The equation. There we go. That's the equation to find natural increase. And you're going to write a brief paragraph about all of this. This video is to show you where to find the information for your country's birth rate, death rate, and natural increase. And here we go. So first, you're going to go to Google. Move my screen over a little bit. You're going to go to Google, and you're going to type in the U.S. Census Bureau international database. So you're going to want to look at this international database here. Once you have that, you're going to go to the international database, U.S. Census Bureau, first link right there, and you're going to get this wonderfully sort of complex looking page. To find the information you need to be on demographic overview, which should be the preset already, and 2017, which should also be preset. And all you have to choose is on this right hand side with the select one or more countries or areas. I need to select your country from the country draft. I'm going to choose a country that we did not pick. Let's look at India, for example. So I'm going to click on India. So once again, remember your country from the country draft, your demographic overview. Make sure demographic overview is here on your report, and 2017 for the year. And you go and click submit. Clicking submit, you'll get this wonderful table right here on the left hand side. The two numbers you're going to be using to determine your birth rate and your death rate is crude birth rate, which is the number of births per 1,000 people in the population, and your crude death rate, so the number of deaths per 1,000 in the population. And you can look at 2017. Make sure you look closely at 2017 because it can really mess with your numbers otherwise. So for India, for example, I have a crude birth rate of 19 births for every 1,000 people and a crude death rate of 7 deaths for every 1,000 people. So I'm going to go back to this chart here. So 19 minus 7 is 12. It's a really high, when divided by 2 is 1.2% increase for every year. And that's really high actually. So I'm going to say I'm going to place India right at the end of late expanding, or stage 3 right here. So India is right here in stage 3 because they have a high birth rate, they have a low death rate, and a pretty high natural increase. So that's, and then I would write a paragraph for this, but I believe that you all can do this. So please go ahead and make sure you write that paragraph. Write it on paper. Mr. Petroni should hand out a written half sheet for you to write your brief paragraph on there. And have a wonderful Monday and first day back from spring break.